So this is a precious metal clay starter kit. There are lots of different precious metal clay starter kits on Cooksongold website, and I have ordered probably the very basic one. So it doesn't come with precious metal clay and it doesn't come with a blowtorch. So those are two things that you might consider that you want to buy as well if you haven't already got them. So we are going to unbox this now and have a look what's inside. These are all the items. Let's start with the biggest item. This is a work mat and it's got a lovely shiny smooth surface so you can use your precious metal clay on that. Okay, I'm going to get these out. These are two sets of plastic strips, and what these are for is that you would put one either side and then you would use your little rolling pin to roll out your precious metal clay. And when you roll your rolling pin over it, your clay is going to be an even thickness throughout. And that means that when you come to sand it, you can have it nice and flat. It means that you can control the thickness of what you're going to make. So there is a pair in here. We have got, in here, there's a few items in here. Let's get this open. This is a little Teflon sheet. Again, it's got this shiny surface and it's really flexible. So you can use this as a working mat, and you can also put your pieces on this to dry them out and they won't stick to it. And then in here, these are made from plastic, and you can put these in hot water and then you can take that out and you can mold it around something. This is a little seashell. You can get all the detail from this and then you can reuse that mold. So these are abrasive pads, and you can use these when your precious metal clay is dry, and that means that you can just smooth over the surface of your precious metal clay, but use it when your precious metal clay is dry, not when it's clay, because that would just make a mess. This is a brush and it has got these metal bristles, and the idea behind this is that when you have fired your precious metal clay and it's cool, you can rub these bristles over your finished piece and they are going to bring it into a nice shine. We have got a little sculpture tool. It's not massively sharp, but it has got a bit of an edge to it. So you can use that end to cut your precious metal clay, and then this end is a sort of other little tool that you can gouge bits of clay out of, I would say. So this is the metal mesh, and you can use this. So officially, I think it might say in the product list that this is a drying rack. So you could use that to dry your precious metal clay on. So this is a rubber block, and you can use this to flatten some precious metal clay. And then lastly, we've got the needle files. These are really handy. You can use these pre-firing your precious metal clay or post-firing your precious metal clay. So this one, for example, is round. So if you had made a hole in your precious metal clay before firing and you just wanted to make sure that that hole was really smooth, you could put that needle file in there and just really gently go around and make sure that that hole is really smooth. We have got lots of precious metal clay and all the accessories on our website, and you can click to the next video to see a first starter project with precious metal clay.